On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional gains. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an utter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter Gang, gang, gang. Let's go, baby. What is going on, everybody? Hopefully you're all having a wonderful morning. Happy hump day. Happy Black Friday week. We managed to get the website finito. Finito. The website is done. We are here after a very stressful couple of weeks. We are here. We are ready to trade. No more distractions. Even though we've been doing really well, I'm excited to breathe. Breathing is good. Trading is fun. Bitcoin dumping. We were ready. Are you ready to rumble? Let's get into the charts. What's going on? Everybody, good morning. Well, Bitcoin dumping last night. And good fun. Good fun. Here we are. Right? Here we are. Looking for this thing to do its thing, and it's not doing its thing. It's just chopping about. Chopping about. Quite volatile, though. Quite volatile. Getting everybody excited, then dumping on people's heads, then getting everybody excited, then dumping on everyone's heads, and then getting excited. Little rinse and repeat. Okay, a little rinse and repeat. Very choppy. So Bitcoin is doing its thing. Chopping the wop. Right? Chopping the wop. Not looking too hot, if you ask me. Not looking too hot. However, trading has been good. How's everybody else doing? Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel. Thank you. Nice push through VWAP here. We could possibly look for a continuation out. No trade just yet. Just waiting. Just waiting. Maybe retest back in here. Big sweep. Big sweep. Down we go. Big sweep, Geronimo. Nasty. Solana rolling over. Yeah. Lower highs. Continuation down. Madness. Madness. Madness, I tell you. Short. Solana looks very overextended here. Looks like it needs to come way back down here. 134. No trade yet. We'll see. How are we all doing this morning? Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. Let me just zoom in on Solana here. Oof. Yeah, rolling over hard. Rolling over hard. A little pump and dump. Can I push back? This would be like an SFP area. Be interested in if it pushed here. Push. Push is because Bitcoin did pop, but Bitcoin popped here. Pop in continuation. Can Solana pop back? That is the question here. That is the question. You know, how are we all doing? How's the trading going, everybody? Is everybody having a wonderful morning? I think you are. Good morning, everybody. Bom dia. My brother Alex, how are you? Good, Rashad. Good to see you, man. How you doing? Good to see you, man. Happy days. Michael, what's going on? It's just Blades. What's going on, Ben H? Good to see you. Oof, Solana rolling over here. Bitcoin coming back down to VWAP. We shall see. A couple of good trades yesterday for me. Hopefully you're all having great trading days as well. We'll see how it materializes for the rest of the day. A little bit of patience here. Bruno, good morning. Pat, good morning. Crypto Rob, good morning. Alex, I think the text on the bottom of your webpage are all messed up. Check it. Yeah, I can check it. I mean, text is the least of my concern right now. Text is the least of my concern, okay? I like Solana here. SFP continuation back up. Oof. That would be sweet too. A little scalpy scalp like that. I don't know if we get up there. Maybe back up into 3 drives, right? 3 drives. Maybe we get back up into here. You have to be very cheap. Very cheap. Bitcoin needs to push as well. Thank you, everybody, for being here and smacking up like buttons. East looks like shite, too. Shocking. This would be very cheap. I don't know. We could come down for this low. Bitcoin not holding. Yeah, nothing here. Nothing here. What's going on, Mahaba? Tony Soprano, G Huff. What's going on, man? Good to see you guys. Thank you for being here. Just Blade. I got to get that monkey working for me again, Tony. Farhad, good morning. Mark Gustafson, Laurent Harp, Async Stated. Ryan Smith, good morning. Thank you for being here, legends. Steve Hickey, Procent. Shep. Madara, good morning. Offshore Miner, Crypto Slab. Ezra, Chili Hills, Hoddle. Joseph, good morning. Thank you for being here. Bitcoin trying to push here. I'm telling you, Solana looks better than Bitcoin right now. Solana to the moon. Might take a stab here. Might take a wee little stab. Yeah, no. That's Push, Solana. Push, baby. Let's go. Time to go. It's time to go. It's time to go, Solana. Up. Push. A little bit more. Stop loss entry. Come on. Come on, Solana. Just a little bit. Don't be a dick for a tick, Solana. Come on. Take it off. Solana's so weird. I hammered this thing. Take it. Come on. Really? That's so gay. Holy shit. Mark it out. Take that. Market it out. This thing wouldn't take my took out half here. Let's see if it pushes. Push, Solana. Really? Solana's very hunty lately. Yeah, that's lame. I was up 600. Then it just stopped. Very choppy lately, guys. I was up 600. I took 100 away from that, guys. That's such bullshit. That's bullshit. Welcome to the choppy world of scalping here. That's really weird. Anyways, GG's, $100. $100 to start the day. That's not a bad start. Snow in London. Let's go. What's going on, everybody? Thank you for being here. I thought we would get an SFP and bounce. Oh, well. That's fine. I really don't like how it didn't take... Yeah, now it's going to continue up. Look. That's so... Anchor trigger, push up. Yeah, that's kind of lame, man. Not liking that. Like number 41. Let's go. VW John, thank you for the like, guy. Thank you for liking. Let's print some freedom coins today. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Shep, Madara, Steve Hickey, Ryan. Good morning. Colin, good to see you. Farmer. Good morning, Greg. Bitcoin Dreamer. Jazz Tech, good morning. DG Fan, Afgus Johnson, Afgus. I probably butcher your name. Sorry about that. Crypto Dog, Barbalicious, Andrew Ruiz. Good to see you guys. Thank you guys for being here. I like Solana here. I really do like Solana here. But I'm not sticking around in this. I mean, my entry was good. I'm going to be very upset for the rest of the day if this thing rips. That's all I've got to say, okay? I'm going to be very upset. Andrew Ruiz, what's going on? Stated, good morning. Marion Joy, All Brevard, good morning. Journeyman Lurker, let's go. Gotta love our journeymans in here. Shumi, what's going on? F1, good morning. Asinda, Spee. How do existing members move to the website and keep the original price? Do we have to do anything? Sorry. Took a week off. You wait. I'll tell you what to do. Right now it's I just got like 40 tickets last night, so just wait. I'm gonna help everybody move over. I'll give you a discount code to match the price that you originally paid. Okay? And we'll move people over manually, individually, which means I gotta move a lot of people over, which is fine. I'd rather you all be on Teachable so I could get rid of Me6. Me6 is a nightmare. People can't, there's no control. People can't change their cards and yada, yada, yada. So we got the website, AlexOCrypto.com. Look, Lunar Beach is crypto with the testimonial. P&L cards from all the gang. Look at Buck. Buck and his alligator. Black Friday code, discount code. I don't like giving discounts anymore, but we'll do a discount for Black Friday. Discord, verify membership, enter Discord. Very simple. Merch. We got the merch. We got everything working. So welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Here goes Solana. Here goes Bitcoin. Grumpy Alex now. Grumpy Alex. What's going on? So make sure if you do want to join the gang, this is the time. Like number 41. Students, good morning. Still waiting here. Bitcoin rolling over. Like last night I warned the gang that we would come down to the bottom of the orb last night. If you aren't part of the Discord, I mean, sell wall given in advance. Momentum broken, saying, hey, we're coming down to the bottom of the orb. What did we do? Right? So, I mean, prepared, right? Just prepared. Clear rejection up here that we were waiting for. Look at Solana melt faces now, guys. It's going, and I'm gonna be upset. Anybody long? Anybody long to rub salt in my wound? Disaster look overextended as well. I don't know, man. I wouldn't touch any ass tearing coin. We could take a look maybe later. James Simpson, thank you for being here. Jeff Carlson, Hafiz, good morning. YouTube, 108K. Let's go, baby. We need a beatbox emoji. Beatbox. I guess we could have a beatbox emoji. Chantel, good morning. Good to see you. How you doing? Cryptoholic, French Toaster. V-Monitor, my man. What's going on, bro? Good to see you. Thank you. God bless you. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. Steve Hickey, Jesse Huluk. Jesse, you haven't come over to the Discord and claimed your free membership. What's going on, man? You don't want to be part of the family or what? Sharon, TRD Farmer. Nice push here. Solana's about to melt faces, and I'm going to miss it. I feel the FOMO, guys. I seriously feel the FOMO after that trade, missing it. I hammered that trade, too. I was in like a $200,000 position. I'm going to feel the FOMO big time. Omar, what's going on? Sharon, TRD. Monkey, yeah, exactly. John Foster, Crypto, Patrick Swayze. Omar, good morning. Good to see you guys. Thank you for being here. Lock in, gang. Let's go, man. Trading has been great for me. Made the same amount I make from my job. Trading every day since Sunday. Great job, Andrew. Great job, man. I've had a really good month so far, man. I've had the best month of my trading career. Yep. Absolutely. I'm buying some new Milwaukee Forge batteries. Oh God. You're something, French. French toaster, Milwaukee guy. Figured as much. His background's red. It's probably painted his bedroom red too, red and black with like triangles, black triangles in the corners or something like that. Something weird, you know. Curtis Hill, what's going on? Toaster. He's got his roller skates in the corner too. Isaac, good morning. Jatinder, good morning. Henderson, Curtis Hill. Anybody from India? Good morning to you guys as well. I'm AlexOCrypto from the Great White North of Canada. French Toaster. Dusty, Curtis Hill, good morning, guys. Good to see you guys. Thank you for being here. F-Bomb, Ryan Smith. Guys, don't open more tickets, man. I can't. Honestly, I'm about to kick people for opening up tickets, man. This morning, someone opened up 5 tickets, and there was nothing in them. Like, if I catch you doing that, I'll boot you right away, man. Because, like, I get notified, and, like, I'm a family man, and if you're effing with my time with my family, I seriously, there's, like, a line. Not calling you out, Ryan. I'm just saying there is someone's doing that, I will happily refund you your misery, man. Because I woke up this morning and I'm like, what the like, seriously? And like, guys, the tickets were at 130. Okay, look at this. We're at 192. 130 to start the month, okay? We're at 192. I woke up to like 8 that were just opened. If someone's doing this, I can find out who's doing it. I have leniency for you clicking the button and not understanding what's going on, but oh my God. You want to talk about drive me crazy? No trades today, says Jatinder. Solana's going to the moon. You guys got long on that. Buying llamas this weekend. Let's go. Spoon feeding in the Discord. We need the spoon emoji. There is a spoon emoji. I mean, I could make another spoon emoji, but this one's pretty good. It's pretty It's a solid spoon. Brad May, what's going on? Shep, Django, Nicholas, what's going on? Makita all the way. Yeah, Makita makes a good product. I'm typically DeWalt. I mean, my DeWalt's like a tractor, man. Makita's more like Makita's like the in between. Like, it's not a Porsche, but it's not a Ford, you know? DeWalt's like a Toyota. I've had my impact gun I've had since I was 19 years old. So 16 years, and I've thrown that thing in pools, off of roofs. You know? And it's still ripping, man. It's still ripping. What are your thoughts on the next 2 hours on BTC? 100K invested 89,942. Thank you for being here. But Mation, thank you, man, for the 10. God bless you. So we'll do top-down analysis. Absolutely. Hazars, what's up? What's going on? Tinder, hi from India. Thank you for being here from India. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being here. So let's look at it. Rolling over. Okay, good. This makes me feel a lot better about my Solana long. Okay, I'm feeling happy now. All right. Okay, let's take a look at it. No, very simply, guys. We're holding on for dear life here. Bitcoin is in an area of ugly. This is the TA. Bitcoin's in an area of ugly. No. So seriously, we were looking for a short here. Any retest of previous lows is typically a short zone. We were all looking to short from up here yesterday after a little bit of a relief. And any relief is met with rejection, right? We can see that throughout. You can see all these momentum waves all throughout this push up. Like, you get a little bit of relief and you continue downwards. So we wouldn't want to assume anything else, okay? However, we are in a more macro area of where we're going to be looking for a bounce, right? So if we're looking at this macro area and we pull our fibs and we understand where volume is, what we need to understand is there is a possibility to reclaim the golden pocket. There's a possibility to drop down to the 786, and we are holding, if we're looking in here, this previous range, we are trying to hold on literally to the value area low of the range prior to being here. Okay, so you can see we're trying to hold this value area low of this range in here, which is the lows. Look at all the wikis in here. The highs of this range down in here. Okay. The golden pocket 786 buy zone in here. Okay. So we are in an area where we should be potentially looking for a relief rally. Relief rally does not mean reversal. Okay. Depending on how we go here is going to make or break this market, in my opinion. Okay, so here we're looking for relief, but we're not getting overly ambitious. Okay, we want to be level-headed in an area like this. Now, what we must understand as well is that volatility has increased tremendously. Okay, we're at 23. Look, so whenever VIX is above 18-ish, okay, 20, 18-ish. Whenever we're above that, we're going to have lots of chop, as you can see on price action, okay? So you'll be wrong faster, you'll be right faster. You must prepare for that. Market Cipher is suggesting a little bit of a pushback because every single thing is overextended to the downside. And when you're overextended to the downside, what do you typically should be looking for? If everybody and their brother and sister is bearish, you should probably be looking for a potential reversal. Okay? Potential. That's what I'm thinking. Okay? Now, could take a little bit here. Weekly is still overextended, but anytime weekly gets down this far, it's typically an area for a bounce, right? Like, if you looked at all these lower weekly areas and we went through all of them, you would see that we clearly bounced out of all of them. So we don't assume we're going to bounce. I just mean, like, in general, we should not be too bearish after such an aggressive move. We should try to be looking for some relief, but also understanding volatility. So you might need a wider berth on your stop loss, okay? You might need to give yourself some more wiggle room if you're looking to get long, okay? Now, long doesn't mean reversal. That's one thing you must understand. Long means that we're looking for relief, okay? So relief is possible here. Now, if we're looking at short terms in the next intraday trading day, well, guess what? We've pumped and dumped and we're back down, and we're looking for a little bit of a pushback here, okay? We can easily come back down for the lows in here. We clearly rejected off of the highs in here. This is a pretty big sell wall that we were looking at last night in the Discord. So can we push up into here and then possibly come back down to here? Yeah. I would treat this as a range, okay? Buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, until proven otherwise. Unless we have very aggressive momentum to the upside and you know, the NASDAQ and the S&P both working in unison and pushing up as well. You can see the NASDAQ's clearly just bleeding out. S&P just clearly bleeding out as well. Okay, so no real strength in the market, just a lot of uncertainty. Okay, so for me, it's if this then that. I mean, I'm paying myself pretty quickly in any one of these trades. Look at Solana push back up here. I mean, I would have been stopped out, so I'm happy about it coming back down at least. But geez, it's volatile, guys, and it's choppy. Look, it's not really getting anywhere. It's just choppy. I call this highlighter price action, where price is just fat, right? It's fat, thick price action, which means it's moving, but it's not getting really anywhere, right? Look at this. We've chopped a 0.5% range, right? Like, it's garbage, right? So if this, then that, going back over to Bitcoin. So in the short term right now, we're looking anchor trigger wave trying to push out. Money flow is still down, which is bearish. So we should be just be waiting right now. Waiting. Looking for a little bit of relief. Liquidity up at the highs here. Liquidity all throughout. So we're prepared for that as well. Up, down, all around. We'll take our little piece, and that'll be me kind of deal today. So yesterday, great trading day. We longed and shorted. Made like 4K, 5K yesterday. So we'll see how it goes. Just trying to be as prepared as possible for anything. What we want to see, in my opinion, we want to see a violent wick and a bounce. That would be hopium. Okay, we want to see everyone wrecked, bam, and then off to the races. But there's no bids coming in. It's just volatile and uncertain. So in an environment like this, you're still getting nice movement. Okay, look at yesterday's open, guys. That was crazy. Yesterday's open, right? Look at how much movement we got, right? Like, we getting 1%, 2%, right? 3%. I was able to get long in here, right? I mean, then we got the rejection, rollover, 4%. So, like, lots of movement. Just got to get direction right, okay? So if this, then that. Currently chopping at VWAP, looking to hold and push, coming back for liquidity and imbalance up in here, up in here, up in here. Okay, imbalance down below here. Big pump consolidation trying to push. We can look for a sweep of these highs in here. We'll see how this continues to go here, but we're prepared. I mean, either way. Up, down, all around. This looks like it wants to continue upwards. I'd be looking for a sell most likely up in here, so we'll see how that goes. Short-term time frames got room to grow. Let's see a breakout retest. Solana's outperformed Bitcoin recently, so look for a breakout retest possible here on Solana. Back to that liquidity. Ethereum looks, I wouldn't touch Ethereum with Farmer's Wiener and Piper pushing kind of deal. So we'll be patient here. What's going on, LBC? Bro, you're front and center on the new website, man. I mean, I've known you forever, so I figured, I'd honor you. I hope I did you well. I did have to edit your comment a little bit because I noticed that you use ChatGPT a little bit. So I unchat GPT'd it because it's not good for the SEO. I hope you accept my editing. It's very similar to what you put, but I had to unchat GPT it. But I do love you, bro, and thank you for the kindness and testimonial and the kindness over the years, man. God bless you. Thank you so much, LBC. If you do want to join our amazing Discord with 8 traders, constant live streams, constant setups, signals, you name it, the sale is on. Use code Black Friday, and you can get a little bit off your membership. Buck's in there too. Buck's happy about that, aren't you, Buck? Buck, did you see the website with your big ass fighting an alligator, man? Is he in here? I don't know if he's in here. Bitcoin trying to push here. Let's see Solana 3-minute structure change here. Still waiting here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live stream and hanging out. 400 people in here. It's incredible, guys. Thank you guys so much. 114 likes. If you guys wouldn't mind just giving that thing a little flick, that would be awesome. I'm trying to push here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live and saying good morning. Gang, do you believe in the Santa rally this year? I hope so. I don't care what you call it, Gunleaf, but call it the Grinch rally. We're all gonna be on the hopium sleigh wagon. Nicholas, rug pull is possible at any moment. TA is kind of hard at the moment. Yeah, you're not wrong. You're not wrong. The chop is real, right? Like look at this, right? So the chop is real. Yeah, I was introduced to the Makita last year, and I want one. Yeah, see? You see? If you kept that so long, you would have made $1,600. Yeah. That's cool, man. Thanks for reminding me. It's kind of you. Or is that douche canoe? Festool is the best? I wouldn't say so, man. I mean, have you seen how expensive their filters are for their stupid vacuum cleaner? This is crazy, man. It's crazy. You have a bot that opens tickets, Dave? You asking for it, man. Good morning, just call me. When are you buying your racing simulator? I'd be buying a golf simulator before a racing simulator, but I mean, maybe one day. I do love drifting, okay? I am absolutely a drifting machine. And I'm not lying either. Like, full on in Canada, we used to go back road driving all the time as teenagers and e-brake and driving in the snow, right? So there's this Fifth Side Road had this like beautiful S bend, and we used to just like go into it at 80 kilometers an hour and just like absolutely rip the road, which was lots of fun. But we used to Home Depot parking lots, and just rip in the snow and drift around all the big old light posts, right? This was in my Toyota Corolla, and you know the big light posts in Home Depot, right? And you got your little light post here, and you got your beautiful car. And my Corolla was just a piece of shit, 97 piece of shit car. But it was lots of fun, and especially as a 16-year-old, I sold my bicycle and bought my first car. So you come into the pole and you just and to the next pole. You know, too good, man. Too good. Oh, that long doesn't look so good now, does it? Anyways, rolling over here on Solana. Bitcoin coming down. VWAP slap. Bitcoin VWAP slap. Nope, lower. Says lower. No trade here. Double top. Rollover. $80 kilometers an hour. It's like 40? 40? 60 miles an hour is 100. There's your reference point. Bitcoin dying. Bitcoin's dying, guys. Down we go. NASDAQ flat. Bitcoin rolling over. Reclaim. Reclaim. Bitcoin pushing. Reclaim. Lower. Lower. Through VWAP aggressive. For reclaims VWAP, we can get long possibly here. Maybe Solana. Be pretty cheap. Considering a long on Solana. Not yet. Still waiting here. Bitcoin's got to reclaim. Yeah, I'll take a stab. A wee little stab. Bitcoin's not pushing though. Come on. Get going. Push. Really? Bitcoin not following through. Might get stopped out here. Bitcoin's looking weak. I'm out. Forget about that. That's a good close. Bitcoin looked weak. That's a good close in my opinion. I would have been stopped out there. Like I said, very choppy. Down $100. Always showing the trades, taking the trades, helping you guys navigate the charts. AlexOCrypto, making crypto honest again. Down $100. Flash closed. Didn't like it. I like the reclaim on Bitcoin. I'm not too mad about that trade. I like the reclaim on Bitcoin of the VWAP, but no follow through, no continuation. So I think that was a good close in my opinion. Bro, can you say hi? Just checking the delay. Checking. There is a delay. Wait, market is open already? I thought it was 9:30. No, it's not. It's not open yet. Tokyo Drift Alex, yeah. No follow through there on Solana. I mean, it might push back here, but maybe we go to Bitcoin instead. Very choppy. Choppy the whoppy. We don't touch this. So let's try to remain patient here. I think we've taken 2 kind of rushed trades here. So no need to force it. 12-minute trigger rollover. Choppy, guys. Very choppy. Very choppy. LBC GPT. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Ice racing in Canada is insane. That would be cool, yeah. We have Nvidia earnings today, everybody, so that should be fun. Everybody's excited for Nvidia today. What leverage do you use to go for scalping? Same leverage, 44x. 40x leverage, generally. Need a coffee, yeah. I need a little bit more coffee, too. I'm running low. What time is AlexOCrypto? Yeah, man. We used to love ripping the cars back in the day, man. We had field cars and stuff like that. Smoking bongs and ripping field cars, man. Idiots. Absolute idiots. But it was fun, man. It's fun. Like 16, 17 years old, just being absolute tars. But at least we're doing it in a field, right? Like, no, not on the road. What was I going to show you? Oh, the earnings, yeah. And so we do have the new website, everybody. Market Cipher code, 65% off Black Friday sale, guys. If you do want that, gobble, gobble. Best Market Cipher deal on the market right now. So there's that for you guys here. If you want that. Chart Prime should be coming out with one as well. Nvidia earnings here after close. Okay. After close today. Sorry for the flashbang. Best Discord in crypto, man. The best. Simply the best. Hopefully those are good. Otherwise, I mean, we all know Nvidia is propping up the market, right? I think the common meme in the Discord right now is the global stock market and Nvidia holding us up here. Yeah, she's if she's wearing snake skin, she just ate a cow. That's why she looks bigger, guys. It's not because she's a big girl. You know when the snake has the big bulge because they just ate your cow from your farm. That's the only reason why she's got the snake skin on, guys. Okay, she's not a big girl. She just looks big right now, okay? Be nice. Be nice. I see you out there. It is me, man. That is me. Darren, that is me in my former life, man. That is absolutely me. A heifer. Yeah, she's definitely a heifer, man. It would take a bus and 2 trains to get on her good side. All right, I'll stop. I'll stop, guys. I'll stop. Stop it. Oh, man. Oh, you guys get me. You guys get me going every day, man. Okay. And NASDAQ flipping bearishly. This doesn't look good. Liquidity down below. S&P, flaccid. Okay, complete rollover. Which is okay. Like, I mean, we called it last night. Like, we warned everybody in the TA section, like in the Discord. We constantly have updates, but it was just like, updated chart. I think we need to go lower. Trying to hold orb. I'm out for the day for appointments, so I would look for potential shorts into lower orb or VWAP bounce up. So you can see here, lower orb and VWAP bounce up. So even though we were up here in our sell wall up at 93.4, we were looking for us to come back down into our lower orb and VWAP, which is 91.4. So it kind of set you guys up. Even at my appointment yesterday, okay, we were up here, guys. We were looking to come back in here. So we hit the sell wall. We were looking to come back in here. Guess what happened? Magically delicious, guys. The spoon is real. Don't ever doubt my spoon, okay? There's a reason why people like our Discord, because the spoon and the lessons. And we're going to have a good lesson today. Today's going to be fun. Live Discord session. Looking forward to that. It's always a good time. Got all these new people, man. We gotta teach them the ropes. Be kind and don't be a douche canoe. I brought the spoon. I did bring the spoon to the appointment, but it was a travel spoon, so I was only able to do TA from my phone. So it was a travel spoon. It was probably a spork. What time is that at? It's the same time. You get a schedule. Depends what time zone you are. Andrew Ruiz wants the injection. Oh, man. Liquidity injection? She even has a cow pattern on. I think it was a snake pattern, man. Big boned? Big boned. We won't go down that avenue, Wick's wife. What's going on, wifey? How you doing? Good to see you. Solana view, please. Holding 130 is the goal. Want to see macro higher term time frame, 4-hour, 12-hour structure change. The problem with Bitcoin, the structure change on the 12 hours, it's fucking at $100,000. This is the issue, guys, right here. I gotta refresh my charts because my object tree isn't working. Sorry, it's so annoying. So the issue here with is the 12-hour structure changes. It's up here, guys. 108. This is crazy, right? So you would look at like a 4-hour structure change, which would be in here. I mean, now you have this high here, but I mean, got a lot of work to do. Structure-wise, you can go 8-hour. Even in the 8-hour, you don't have, in my opinion, a high in here. You're still looking up here. 6-hour, maybe 6-hour. Yeah, it's not looking good, guys. It does not look good for structure-wise. Like, I mean, this is, yeah, it's ugly. It's ugly, man. Max pain. So, I mean, this says lower. Double top rollover, continuation down, VWAP retest, continuation to the lows. Looking to grab liquidity down here. Patience, everyone. Solana dumping, yeah. Beautiful. I'm glad I got out of that long. Whew. Solana's got a lot of liquidity to come for today, guys. Look at all this. Built up. Boo, 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 boo. Solana overextended. Needs to catch up. Up 7% yesterday. Maybe a lot of bids from the ETF, but my God. Double bottom here. Bitcoin trying to hold. VWAP retest. Very choppy, guys. This is nasty. This is absolutely nasty. Very good close on that Solana long. Still waiting here. Hopefully we get spooned today because 2 losses this morning getting forked. Spoon privileges revoked, yeah. Choppy market, absolutely. Vicious. NASDAQ, yeah, ugly. Solana, ugly. East's got to come here. $3,000 back to $3,000 for Ethereum if it doesn't hold 3,050. $500 people in here. Thank you for being here. Welcome to the AlexOCrypto show. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m., taking the trades, showing you the trades. 2 trades this morning. $100. $100 and down $117. So either way, hip hip hooray. Rolling over. Solana's dying. Beautiful. Bitcoin about to lose the lows here. I like a dump into market open though. It can reverse that way. Midweek reversal Wednesday. Remember where we're at, right? So we'll see. Cascading down here. Solana, nasty. Nasty. Mm-hmm. 1 minute Solana bouncing. Coming back to the block. Retest block. Continuation down. Bitcoin trying to hold this lower part of the range. We're just chopping VWAP here. Solana suggests lower. Damn. Falling off a cliff. Still waiting here. If you guys wouldn't mind, 500 people, 160 likes. If you guys would like to, XRP's looking strong today. Holding a lot when Bitcoin goes down. That's good. Yeah, that's good. Some alts are holding up, I mean. XRP tap 6 month fair value gap, yeah. Good morning, Melissa. How you doing? Thank you for the feedback on the website. I appreciate you. SFP for Ethereum. No trade. Look for a pushback on Solana back into this area here. Potential short continuation. I mean, tons of liquidity below us, so. Bitcoin retest of VWAP. Yeah, Bitcoin looks like trash this morning. I mean, when you're chopping the WAP, I mean, the best thing is not to touch it. Unless so like when you're chopping in here, it acts magnetic. Buyers and sellers are agreeable that this is a good price to exchange Bitcoin at. If your standard deviation 1 overextended, so if you're up in here, you can take it back into VWAP as a range, but Yeah, you don't mess with it when it's really tight like this. This is just, you're asking for trouble. Solana retest back up. Little block. First test is the best. Could be here. You just don't want to see Bitcoin with strength. Three-minute wick test needs to come higher. No trade yet. Still waiting. Three-minute wick test invalidated. Now it's just a little block that we're looking to tap. We'll see. Bitcoin rolling over. I'd like to see a little bit higher for Solana. Like to see it come back into here. We'll see. We are in a bounce level, but if we're going to flip this to resistance, then possible short opportunity. Very overextended. Bitcoin looking like it wants to push here. Still no trade. Still waiting, everybody. No trade. Always showing you guys, walking you guys through it. Hopefully it helps. Thank you for being here and hanging out. And thank you guys for getting those likes up. I appreciate it. Subscribing, hanging out. Good fun. We just hit 18,000 subscribers. I appreciate it. Michael Saylor still posting bullish posts. I'm considering buying some more Bitcoin down here. Not a whole big bag, but you know, a little bit. Maybe take a little sniff. Take a little bit. But I mean, my average buy is 21,000, so I'm not really looking to. I want to buy another half a Bitcoin, I think, in the next year. So we'll see, but I want to do it responsibly. Should have taken that Solana short. Late to the party now. Bleeding out. Bleeding out. ETH trying to bounce here. Interesting for ETH. Bitcoin's about to lose this. We're looking down in here, this little block golden pocket area for a potential bounce on Biddy. We'll see if we come back down in here. No trade right now. Still waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. How's everybody doing? Is everybody short right now? Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Congratulations on your short, everybody. V Monitor, good to see you, man. God bless you. Thank you for always supporting the channel. Two. Long. Sulio's long. Let's go. 2. Do I trade Asia with the Discord? I trade Asia with everybody on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. I couldn't last night. I'm so busy last 2 days, man. I've never had such a busy life. I've worked like 17 hours the last 2 days, both days, so nice pushback here. Solana pushing back. Bitcoin trying to go through VWAP here again. 9 o'clock, everybody. I see a lot of you guys joining the Discord. Thank you for joining the gang. Welcome to the family. We'll have do a little bit extra today on the tutorials and little overview on the Discord and what you get and everything like that. It's important that you are aware-ish, not bullish or bearish. It was a long drive, man. It was wet too. It was snowy and icy. You got the winter tires on though, but it was I went and got my allergy testing done, so I'm doing like allergy shots or whatever I've put it off for 35 years, so I'm doing all my doing all the stuff that I should have done years ago. Allergy shots, yada yada yada. So I had to get like pricked and all that stuff. They do like the all down your arm, and yeah, it's never comfortable. But that's fine. You get it done. Man up, right? Don't be an namby-pamby. Got that all done, then came home. Failing to reclaim VWAP on Bitcoin. Bearish. Bitcoin needs to roll over. It's battling. It's trying its best, right? I mean, there's a lot in its way. Solana chopping at the lows here. I took a Solana continuation trade here, guys. I can't lie to you guys, but I'm not going to give you guys that setup here. Just to this liquidity level here. I took a short right in here, just like this. Pretty tight, 1-to-1 trade. I'm not going to give you guys that setup, though. But I will share that I took it, okay? I will share that I took it here. 704. It is 704. Okay, guys. Just a little continuation scalp. I saw that. So what I saw, okay, we hadn't come for the liquidity at this low. I should have held it. Holy shit. It was a one and done, though. The intention was to take it to this low. So hovering about here, Bitcoin weakness, right? So Bitcoin failed to reclaim VWAP, which suggests lower, and I don't want to trade Bitcoin here. Okay, Bitcoin's in hot dog zone. So Solana clearly dumping. So I'm just looking for this to rotate back down into this low here for a quick scalp. And obviously it played out. Okay, there's your trade. $240. Okay, always showing you guys, right? That first loss, that first win, loss, win, up $240 here. Should have held the trade, guys. Look at this thing dump, but that wasn't the intention. It wasn't the intention to hold the trade. The intention was to take a little bit out of the market there. Just volume momentum, confluence on Bitcoin. Bitcoin needs to come here. Spot Solana's the most overextended token. It was up 7% yesterday, guys. So if you're going to short something, you want to short something especially if it's an altcoin. You want to short something that has a lot of liquidity down below. Bitcoin's like here, right? Bitcoin's like here. Solana's up here. Ethereum's like here, right? So does it not make more sense to take this guy, right, back down to here? I would say yes. Like if you're going to have something follow through, it's going to be something that's overextended, right? Like ICP. I'm sure ICP looks like a great short today. Let's go and look at ICP because I think it did well, right? ICP. Yeah, look at how well this thing's rolled over. Boom. Look at that dump. Even this is not even overextended, right? So another quick one. Easy peasy. It's not a safe trade to say, hey guys, let's enter a short here. I told you I've been considering a short in here for follow through. And I marked at the liquidity. You guys can make up your own decision. This is not financial advice. We're just trying to show you what I was looking at and how to take advantage of this, right? That's the key. And not be greedy because this is volatile, right? Look at this thing. GG's in the chat. I'm going to get some more coffee, guys. I'm out, which is not acceptable. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you for being here. Join the Discord. Black Friday sale. No more sales. No more sales.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Traipsing these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Wow, that would have been a great short, man. Bitcoin rolling over here. Good job on the short, guys. Down we go. Where we stop, nobody knows. Beautiful crypto. 500 people in here. What's going on? 2 more likes. That's all we need. Thank you for being here, everybody. Sweeping the lows here. Hasn't tapped it yet. Still lower. Says lower. Lower. Nice little blocks here too. So could get a bounce out of this area in here. I like a dump before the market open though. It does suggest up generally. We've had a lot of contrarian. I got like the ultimate eye goop, man. Oh man, that's crusty. I should have cleaned that this morning. What a dirtbag I am. Hey, if you guys want me to live stream, you're stuck with me. I get up at 4:45 every morning. Okay, it's only 7 a.m. right now. Okay? Get at me. We are meeting up to drink my gold bar Bitcoin whiskey when it hits 1 million. What date is that going to be, by the way? I'm from Texas. Let's go. I'm trading on Bitunix, Hashim. Good to see you, man. Piper from Texas. When do you think it's going to hit 1 million? 2031. 2031. Maybe 32. I'm going to say 31, though. Didn't you lose on fees on that trade? No. My fees for that trade, if you want to see, I'll show you mine, you show me yours, okay? That Solana trade. Solana fees are a lot lower than Bitcoin fees, okay? The fees were $122, okay? There you go. Got to pay to play, man. Good push here. 18 minutes till market opens. Good to see you stated. Thank you for being here, Bax. French toaster. I like Texas toast. Yeah, Texas toast is it's total heart attack, but sure. Nothing better than some French toast though, right? How about Texas toast but French toast Texas toast? How about that, toaster? I bet, toaster, are you one of those toasters that could fit a Texas toast? So are you like, do you got that wide angle? The wide angle slots that you can fit the good pieces of toast in there? Or are you just like are you just a thin piece of toast? Nice push here for Bitcoin through VWAP aggressive. Nice push here for Biddy. Nice push for Biddy through VWAP. Coming into the middle of the range. No trade. Solana V-shaped recovery. Potential. Reclaim. No trade here. We've slapped that liquidity, so that's a good little slap and go, but retest to order blocks. Continuation down. Yeah. I still don't like it here. Nice push for Bitcoin coming into the market open. NASDAQ continues to rug. Coming back for late shorts. Late shorts. That's what that is. VWAP slap. See if it can push. A little fair value gap in here as well. Target. No trade here. Up $250 for the day so far. Happy days. Fees suck, yeah. Fees are expensive. I mean, what's the option though? You go to MexC and you lose your whole account, or you go to there's a MexC affiliate link. I mean, trade at your own risk. I mean, I'd rather pay $50 and feel half safe keeping my money on the exchange. What's going on, Bearded Mac Mike? Good to see you, man. So what are you guys planning on buying on Black Friday? I've already done all my Christmas shopping. I don't know about you, but I do my Christmas shopping Black Friday. I got my wife a freezer. A big ass freezer, like to hold a cow, like a big chest freezer. And I can say that out loud because she guessed the other day, pissed me off. Can't surprise my wife with anything, man. You want to talk about England and being Sherlock Holmes? She's got to have Sherlock Holmes blood, man. She just knows everything. There's nothing that gets by my wife. I love her for it because I'm very, let me see. I'm very goldfish minded. I'm very determined and I work hard, but like I'm forgetful. Probably smoking too much dope when I was a teenager. Anyways, my wife, she's sharp. And I said, I don't know where I'm going to hide your Christmas present. That's all I said. I said, I don't know where I'm going to hide your Christmas present. She wakes up the next morning. You got me a freezer, didn't you? Like, what? What? How did you know? That's all I said. She's like, you told me what you got me just by saying that. I'm like, you are something else, woman. You need a freezer in the igloos? We've always wanted, because we like to batch cook, right? We like to batch cook in the new fridges. Tell me how shite, okay? Tell me how shite. These new fridges, right? They got these double doors, which are absolute shite. Give me one door. Don't give me double doors. Double doors suck. Okay, and they got this chest down here. You can't even fit a turkey in this chest, guys. And that lower drawer for the freezer, that lower drawer that pops out, if this is a side view of your freezer, that lower drawer that comes out like this, that drawer for your freezer, this thing sucks. Big floppy donkey bleep. Okay? You can't even fit a bag of peas in there, let alone ice cubes. All right? Anyways, so I got her a freezer. And then I got her something else. So I got her a whole bunch of other things too. But I was going to put the freezer in the garage in the back storage mechanical room, and I was going to load it with all of her gifts so that she would never she would open the freezer to look at it and there'd be a whole plethora of gifts. This was my great idea. It's all ruined now. It's all ruined, okay? I was going to put a couple boxes under the tree and put some weights in them, put some weights in them and then just put like a treasure map into the garage, into the mechanical room. I had this big plan, and she just comes out and she just goes, "You got me a freezer. I know what you got me." Oh, well, your Christmas is ruined, Mrs. Grinch. My God. So she's getting what she's getting. My grand plan is ruined. That's okay. See, she got me something, and she's literally put it in the corner of the house. I can see where it is. I don't care to think about what's in that bag. I would like to enjoy a surprise. Unlike Sherlock over there. I think she can hear me. Can you hear me, Moo? I don't know. Maybe she can hear me. If you're wondering, I call my wife Moose. And she calls me Moose. Do you know why? Because when we were dating, so I call my wife Moose. Yeah, it's kind of weird. So you know how people call each other dear? Hey, dear. Hey, dear. How's it going, dear? Okay, dear. So when we were traveling Canada on our road trip, 40-day road trip, if you want to marry a girl, take her on a 40-day road trip with no showers, eating potatoes off the fire. Take her on a 40-day road trip in the Rocky Mountains. You'll know if she's your wife or not. That's a good test. And we love moose. Moose are majestical creatures. So instead of deer, we call each other Moose, and it's stuck. Hey, Moose. That's like we full on call each other Moose. I don't even call her by her name anymore. It's just Moose. And it's just stuck. It's stuck. You got her a freezer? That's just cold, man. Let's go. I like that, Martin. That's a good one. Oh, I call my girl Honky. She calls me Honky. You are a honky, though, Dave. You're hunky honky. I took my missus to several raves that did the job. Let's go. Chewing her face and having a good time and using the Portaloo. She is a keeper. Reggie, you filthy, man. I love it. Chopping the wop here, guys. Solana order block retest. Trying to bottom out here. Still looks really weak, guys. NASDAQ trying to hold bull div here. Retest to previous highs. Where's my horizontals, guys? What the heck is this? There's got to be a way to do this faster. There probably is. Alt Control H. Do you guys say H or H? In England, they say H. In Canada, we say H. No trade. Still waiting. All right. Guys, this is going to be a... Remember, what's the narrative for today, everybody? So, we're oversold. Everybody's in panic mode. We have extreme volatility. Price is very choppy. What is the big outlier today? It's Nvidia earnings. Okay, so Nvidia earnings is coming in at the end of the day. So, leading into the end of the day, you can expect a lot of bull crap. Okay? Be prepared for that. Pay yourself. Manage your risk. Don't overtrade. Let the dust settle. Okay? Please. Let's be smart. You don't have to make all your money today. Okay? I call my girl Queen. She's obsessed with Game of Thrones. That's cool, man. I mean, season 1 Game of Thrones, my favorite character was Arya. I think I won, man. She didn't die. I had no clue, but she was my favorite character. And turns out to be the most badass person in the whole series, in my opinion. Shame. Hey, Muskox. Hey, call your wife Muskox. Is that maybe Elon Musk goes down that road? Reggie took her to a couple of raves. That's hilarious. You're 2 hours south of Canada. I mean, if you're going to be in America, you might as well go to where there's good weather. This has been Bitcoin movements from Nvidia earnings, February. Okay, so yeah, volatility. Not too much, but I would expect chop today for sure. Must be a southern UK thing, pronouncing the H. Yeah. I've rewatched Game of Thrones 4 times. Yeah, a little bit obsessed. We do the mod ceremony here with the Game of Thrones theme song whenever we introduce a new mod. Good weather is subjective. I enjoy snowmobiling and snowboarding. There you go. No, at least you know that, right? Snowmobiling is absolutely incredible, man. I love snowmobiling. Nothing better. Ripping trails. I'm not going to get a snowmobile this year. Probably in a couple years. I'm looking to get an enduro this year. For next spring. I'm thinking I'm getting a KTM. I think I'll get a KTM enduro, man. Brap, 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 brap. I don't know. What do you guys think? KTM Enduro. The 390. Come on, that's namby-pamby shit. Nice sweep in here. I'd like a 450, man. That would be sweet. 450 or 452 stroke, guys. What do you think? Rip me off the handlebars. Bra, bra, bra. 300, the 302 stroke, the legendary enduro. Oh man, that would hurt. I gotta go 4-stroke, man. I'm too old for a 2-stroke. I can't wait, man. It's gonna be a bleeding out, everybody. Coming into market open 3 minutes. Dominance is ripping. Good. We want to see that. Alts are bleeding. Maximum pain. Good times, good times. I don't know what kind of sled I would get, though. I haven't looked much into snowmobiles lately, but we've swept these lows now, guys, so this is a good sweep into an order block to start the morning. Sweep, order block, continuation. Could pop back up here, guys, so no trade here. Couple trades this morning. Still waiting here. Bitcoin trying to bounce. No trade. 496 people in here. That's pretty cool, man. Thank you guys for being here and hanging out, subscribing. Traders helping traders. We got the Discord pumping. Check out the new website, AlexOCrypto.com. If you do want to join the Discord, we have the website up and ready. We got the merch. We got the community. We got the sale on. Use the code Black Friday. Ready to go, man. Exciting things are happening. And thank you for all the people who are already Discord members. Thanks for being part of the family. God bless you guys. Stated as a XRP maxi? That's okay, man. I can't stand trading XRP. I'm not a maxi in any way. I think I hold the S&P 500. I think Bitcoin makes up 30% of my portfolio, like total portfolio. I'm talking about everything. And I have a lot of Bitcoin, so no, I'm kidding. I don't have that much Bitcoin. Come on. Be nice. Okay, nice here. Market is open. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, pretty flat start here. Gapping up. Rotation down. NASDAQ dumping. Patience here. Solana rolling over. Bitcoin trying to push back right now. Retest of previous lows. Continuation down. Looking for Bitcoin to come down to this $90,000 500 area. See if we do get a reaction down here. Just trying to push back, though. We have swept. Tapped the block. We'll see how it materializes. Thank you guys for being here and hanging out. Smacking like button, subscribing if you're new. Market is open. Don't leave a gap like that, S&P. Don't you dare leave a gap like that. That is dismal. What? That is horrendous. Come back for it, baby. Do not leave a gap like that. That is disgusting. Bitcoin chopping. Very volatile day, guys. Expect the volatility today, so be patient here. Solana, eek. Not looking good. Look at that support level. Rejection. Rotating down here. Market cipher trying to bottom out here. 12-minute. Same deal. Trying to bottom out here as well. Trying to push back. Bullish divergence. Not really. Kind of ugly. Trigger wave on the 24. Trying to push back. Downtrend right now. No trade. Still waiting. Hourly does look a oversold. Red dot printing. Look for follow through down. Trying to come to the lows of the range. We'll see how it materializes. Let's just be patient here. No trade. Still waiting. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out. Do appreciate you guys for being here and smacking up like buttons, subscribing if you're new, joining the Discord, and hanging out. Nice push back here. Nice pushback here. Still waiting. Does Chart Prime offer lifetime on Black Friday? I'm pretty sure they do. I'll have those codes for you. I mean, I teach there. Tell Brewberry he's on mute. Is he on mute? No sound, bro. Alarm. Or what is it? Bell. I could call them. He is handsome. Just spam him. He'll be all right. Love Brewberry. One of our traders in our Discord. Amazing. Wow, what do we miss here, guys? Holy smokes, we're pumping. All right. You guys distracting me so bad. I'm upset with you guys. NASDAQ, pushing back. Solana trying to push back. Bitcoin VWAP slap. Follow through. Follow through. V-shaped recovery. Push. Push. Push, 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 push. Go, Bitcoin. Go. Be free. Be free. Be free, child. Be free, child. Be free. Nice liquidity grab. No trade here. Possibly considering a long on Solana. Woohoo. Come back for all that liquidity, Solana. Wick test continuation. Bitcoin trying to close above VWAP. Oh, it looks strong here. Let's go, Solana. Let's go, baby. Don't you run away from me this time, baby. Come on. Don't you run away. Don't you do it. Take it. Thank you. 170. Stop loss entry. Screw it. I ain't here. I ain't here to lose money. Go, Solana. Be free. Be free. All this liquidity. Screaming. Begging you. begging you to release the Kraken. Retest our previous lows. Follow through. Don't be a namby-pamby. It's going to come down. Oh, no. Look at this volatility, guys. This is disgusting. Holy smokes, man. Looking to come up into this block here if it does want to continue to push. What's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin still trying to push. Okay. Go, Bitcoin, go. Be free. Nah, it's coming back, man. Look at this volatility. This is crazy, man. Yeah, stopped out. $170. Another one. You see how, I mean, you can't be greedy here, man. It's a volatile market. Volatile market. I don't want to. Look at this follow through now. Solana's going to rip. That's fine. Solana's going to rip. We were long like somewhere in here. I'm not trying to catch a home run trade today, guys. I saw the momentum looking good. NASDAQ pushing up good. Coming back for liquidity. SPY, nice bounce. Did it fill this gap? Please tell me it filled this gap. It didn't fill the fucking gap. Oh my god. That's so weird. Bitcoin back in the WAP. Back chopping the WAP, guys. GG's in the chat. Quick 170. Why do you show us your trades after you enter way lower? I didn't enter way lower there. Anyways, like you want to copy my trades, you go somewhere else, man. It's not here to copy trade. We're here to trade together. Coming back down. 10K all in trade almost, but I need a moonshot. Any advice on the first of the month? Wake up, wake up. I'm not sure what you mean by that. Thank you for the 5. And there's a delay on YouTube as well. Yeah, exactly. Good close. That's a good close on Solana here. Looking for follow through. You know, enticing buyers really. Right? So quick scalp on momentum, looking for that follow through. It clearly didn't follow through. So a quick scalp, which is always nice to get paid quickly and whatever after, right? Who cares? We take our money and run. I'm just glad Solana decided to fill us this morning. Insert rude comment, Dave. Chopping at the WAP here, guys. Thank you for being here, Bunker. Yeah, man, I'll show you guys the trades. The losses, the wins, the account, where the account was. Lots in the chat will follow, though, through when BTC pumps. Yeah, that's their choice, man. I tell you guys, it's not a... Any advice for a swing trade? Yeah, you want to see violence, man. You want to see liquidity happen, and you want to see market structure on a higher term time frame. So you do not have that for a while. You're looking for a mitigation of the high and retest back in on like a 4 hour right now. So you're looking to come up and take this high up here and then come back down. So you still got a lot of waiting to do for that kind of idea. I mean, you could be looking in here for an SFP for a potential sweep. Okay, you could be looking in here, but really you want to see this structure change, and then you want to look for the long in here after it breaks this high for a higher term time frame swing trade. this is clearly the Hobbit time frames, man. We are in the Shire, so yeah, that's a good close on Solana. Little balloon dog in here, double bottom, trying to hold. I still think Solana needs to come to 132 again, rolling over here. A little bit of relief. NASDAQ continues to push here, guys. Coming into earnings. Interesting. Higher lows on the S&P. Bitcoin reclaiming VWAP, trying to push through. No trade here. Still waiting. Waiting game. Alex, are you having a yearly sale? Yeah, the sale is on in our new website. Code is Black Friday. I'm not doing anything cheaper than $75. I mean, the Discord is full enough, and in my Discord, we have 8 traders who help everybody, but I do a lot of work, and I do want to keep it at a minimum where I can actually respond, because I have a chat with Alex where I get to review your trades and help you guys kind of see what I see and hopefully help you guys become better and profitable traders. And if I have too many people to answer, I'm not able to get to everyone. And I think everybody deserves that. If they're going to pay for a service or a product, I want to give them as much value as possible. And I think, there's the legacy members. Some people got in at $20, but that's when the channel was very small, and I will always be respectful and grateful to those OGs, but there's a lot of new OGs too that deserve the attention as well. So we're doing the Black Friday sale now, $75, not $88, and that's about the only sale price you're ever going to get going forward. This $75 or whatever. That's it. It's never going lower than $75. And it's never going higher than $88. So we'll do sales throughout the year. And that's it. I'm just grateful to have a great community. 8 traders, incredible people. Kindness is first. Don't be a douchebag. If you're a douchebag, I don't need your $80 a month. Believe me, okay? I mean, the Discord knows what I've turned the account into in the last 19 days. So they know I do it out of fun and to try to help them. Ask the Discord anyways. I'm not a salesman. There's plenty of salesmen in this space. I'm not one of them. You don't have to use my links in the description below. You don't have to use MarketCypher. I've used MarketCypher my whole life. Best discounts going on right now. I love it. I'm sponsored by them. They're great people. Do what you want. You're an adult. If you sign up with my exchange, you get access to all of my butt plugs. Like, fuck off. Sorry. It pisses me off. Thanks, wife.
Yeah, give us to that.
Ta-ta. Thanks, buddy. Gave me my wireless headphones. Aw, little man coming through. Nice push here, guys. Following NASDAQ. Pretty nice. All of them, yeah. Tell me about the mouse pad with the wireless charger. Yeah, it's got the wireless charger. It's got an, I didn't even know it has LEDs around the side. It's dope sauce, and it's big. It's big. The merch. I mean, I make $5 off of everything in here. This is community building. But I didn't know around the perimeter there's an LED light. I didn't know that. I was pleasantly surprised. Look at this, baby. Let's go. Rip. Go, Bitcoin. Go. Anybody long? Put a 1 in the chat if you're long dong silver. Look at the NASDAQ, guys. This is good. Should have held the Solana lana long. Solana lana long long. Coming up for the SFP right now. Patience here. Orb is in. Ray Orb is in. Nice push here for Bitcoin. Good. I like this, man. This is good. Coming into the Nvidia earnings today. So top of the range now. Top of the range. Top of the orb. Nice juicy orb today, guys. Almost up 1% orb. Good push here. Wow, big push for the NASDAQ. Overextended. Overextended SFP liquidity swept. Caution here. Nice recovery for the S&P, retesting previous lows. Solana retesting the lows as well. No trade here. Ethereum, V-shaped recovery. Coming back into this block. Yeah. Looks okay. No trade still. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. 400, 500 people here. 244 likes. Wow. You guys are cool, man. Long on Sol. Good job, everybody. And the sweatshirt is nice. Yeah, the sweatshirt is pretty sweet, man. Coming for the equal highs at 91.9. Okay. Good job, everybody. Gamble. No, I'm sure of all of us gig along on the asset. Just want to know if there was an ideal idea I haven't thought of. If this, then that, Tengu. So right now you're waiting either for a violent sweep of the lows or you're waiting for a market structure shift on the 4 hour. Pardon me. Is it weird that someone else calls Mrs. Otter Moose? Yeah, probably, man. I'd probably punch him in the teeth, but we won't go there. I'm kidding, Dave. Hey, Tom, I'm here, buddy. Warming up. What's going on, HT? Good morning, everybody. Just went long on Sol. Okay. Retest of the block. Continuation up. I think that's coming back for late longs. Order block here. Tap. Still in the downtrend. Trying to reclaim the range into resistance here. No trade. Solana. Bitcoin into resistance. Coming for the high right now. Nice bull flag, but we'll see. We'll see. No trade here. Chop City. I think this is a trap. I don't know about you guys, but I think this is a trap. This looks trappy to me. So I stay out. I stay out of it. When you're uncertain, it's not, I don't think it's the greatest thing to take a trade. 97 is coming. Okay. Will Smith vibes. Yeah. Get my wife's name out of your mouth. You mean punch them in the shin? Yeah, exactly, man. I'll give them so many lefts they'd be begging for a right. Oh, man. Tony, that's not very nice, bro. I'm going to have to revoke your mod duties for the day. No Christmas bonus for Tony. Breakout incoming. Nah, Tony gets all the Christmas bonus. Maybe Tony just gets all of it. I think I'd at least hit him in the upper thigh, bro. At least get the upper thigh. Like, if I throw an uppercut, I'd probably get catched in that sack. Dave's met me in real life, man. He threw me around like a rag doll. I still whoop his ass in tennis. Wait. You just wait. I'm not coming to Vegas though this year, bro. I'm sorry. I got plans. I got plans. So if we're gonna play tennis, you're gonna have to come to Canada, in my home court. And it's gone. Well, no follow through here. Back into VWAP. Choppy. Right? I will make sure I have my Nike Elevates on, man. Dave, you will not be able to... my head actually gets over top of the net when I wear my Nike Elevates, guys. My head, I can actually see over the net when I wear my Nike Elevates. Okay. This is not sponsored by Nike, but these are... I think my wife got me a pair of these for Christmas, so I can actually give her a kiss when she leaves the house. She still has to bend over. You guys are brutal, man. I love it. Oh. Imagine you held that Solana long. Yeah, that would have been great, man. I would have been stopped out. We're not here to imagine, man. I mean, if I said imagine I held this as a scalper, you're doomed. You're doomed. Imagine I held this short as well. Imagine I held this short here. Imagine I held this long here. Right? Imagine. You're not serving yourself, right? You take the trade based on what you're looking for and where you're looking to take profits. If it's a scalp, it's a scalp. If it's a swing, it's a swing. It's a very different trade setup, right? And we teach that in the Discord. You can't just be looking for a scalp. You can get scalp entries on swing trades. It's very possible. Okay? But you must understand the style of trading you're doing. If you're coming in here and trying to scalp, but you're looking for a swing, you're gonna get wrecked. In my opinion. You must be able to differentiate the difference, right? I mean, I took a Solana long yesterday, and it was a swing Solana long, and I made $3,000, right? But it was a swing. It wasn't a, it wasn't. There's a different take profit structure, right? It was a different take profit structure on my Solana swing trade yesterday, right? But intention, right? Intention before you enter the trade. What is my intention, right? What is my setup, right? We had a failed orb breakdown yesterday, which is bullish. So I looked for a continuation. And I took it on Solana, right? We had a failed orb breakdown yesterday right here. This was a failed orb breakdown, which was bullish. So I got long in here on Solana for a more of a intraday trade, not a swing trade, but an intraday trade, right? You must be able to acknowledge what type of trade are you trying to take, right? Are you looking for a home run trade? Are you looking for a swing trade? You probably shouldn't be looking at the 3-minute time frame, right? And by understanding that, you're okay with some volatility. You get long here, your stop is here, your target's here, right? Your stop loss doesn't go to entry as fast. You're looking for this thing to play out. You have key targets above you. You know where your targets are. It's all about how you're looking to take advantage of this price action. And how long are you willing to wait in the trade, guys? Right now, I don't want to sit in any trades. Look at this. Pump, dump, pump, dump. It's just nasty. It's nasty. So be a victim or make money. Your choice. Right? I mean, so far today has been a quick in and out day, right? If we're looking at today's trades, this is today's trades. Happy days, right? right? And we're up what? 300, almost $400 today, man. That's a great day. $400 is a great day. Especially in this environment, right? I may not trade for the rest of the day. Who knows? If it's there, I'll take it. But, you don't give it back either. That's another key. It's like you don't want to give this money back. You take it and you hide. you take it and run. Okay? God bless you, Sulio. Thank you for being part of the gang, man. Thanks for being here. I appreciate the 25, man. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. Guys, go check out Sulio and his channel. He's a race car driver, guys. He's got almost 250,000 subscribers. See, he got so many subscribers, but look, this guy's got great hair. He's got good hair. Look at the hair. He's got a good mustache. Good mustache, good hair. I mean, that's top shit, man. We're gonna do some driving lessons one day. I'm gonna come to Dubai. I'm gonna rent a Pagani. We're gonna go and destroy it. KTM 350 Champion Edition. Does he sell a course on how to get hair like that? Yeah, that's the one, right? That is like, that hair is so good. It's like Pulp Fiction. It's like Samuel Jackson's. It's like Sam Jackson's perm, It's got that vibe, It's got that vibe. Royale with cheese vibe, It's got that. That's what it's at, man. That's awesome. Good morning, gang. By the Discord. Need to change my life. I don't know if the Discord will change your life. I'll teach you how to fish, though, man. We all fishing. Key levels, setups. It's good news for the girlfriend. That's it, right? Thank you for being here. Discord sale is on right now. Black Friday sale. Website's up. Become a member. Come and hang out. 8 traders. Best Discord in all of crypto, man. NASDAQ is going to the absolute moon today, guys. Bullish. Look at this, guys. Holy Scheißenhausen. Just chopping the wop right now, guys. Chopping the wop. Is there a teenager on staff to teach me how to use the Discord? It's an app. You join it, and there's different sections. Just go to the website. There's videos on how to use it. Guys, this looks really good for the NASDAQ and the SPY. It's a nice bottoming structure here. That's enough out of me today, guys. Awesome day. Quick scalps, hip hip hooray. Hopefully you're all having a wonderful day. Hump day, Nvidia earnings today. So please, please, please be trading with caution. Risk management, all that good stuff. God bless you guys. Thank you guys so much for being here and supporting the channel. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Trading's not easy. Get with the right people. Smash like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thank you guys again. I'll see you guys tomorrow. And Discord members, I'll see you later today. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base.